Hello, welcome back. This is our third episode, and today we will be making guacamole. I used to not like guacamole until I tried this guacamole. I'm saying guacamole a lot, but this is gonna be some good guacamole. Guacamole. This is a super simple recipe with only a few ingredients. 2 to 3 ripe avocados, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and salt and pepper to taste. So for this next step, you will need to have help from a grown-up. So now my dad is cutting the avocados in half and removing the pits. Next, I am going to scoop out the avocados into a bowl to make the guacamole. After we got all of our avocados, time to mash it up. Now when you're done mashing it all up, time to grab your ingredients. Don't forget to add the salt and the pepper. Now when you're done adding your ingredients, time to go get the chips. I got my chips. It's beautiful. Now it's time to taste test. This is the best part. That's guac. That's good. Wow, that went fast. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Bye-bye. Sonic fast.